In this video, I'm going to show you the calendar command cal. So on the first line, you can see I'm having what is cal, and it shows me display a calendar of information and date. And then also which cal is going to provide you the path to the calendar. So if I just go on line 3 and I actually run the command cal without any argument, it's gonna print the current month. And if I want it in the Julian format, I could just type in -J here. It will just print it in Julian format. So if I go on another line, let me just modify line 3 because the output is not good for shorts. So I'm going to just say calendar 19070. That's the epoch calendar of Unix. So you can see that's January's 9070. And if I want it in Julian format, obviously I type and -J in front of it. And if I just want anything like from the current month before 3 months before, you can do that one also, or after 3 months. And so from the current month, whatever is the current month, you just get 3 months after the current month. So this is month of October, and 3 months after is November, December, and January. Thanks for watching.